a girl is jobless, she does not know what she's doing.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to
My destiny, oh no, oh no.
Guys, you see this right here? This is my weakness. This is everything. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at this beauty. So guys, I told you guys about the fan that needed to be fixed. So we're doing it today. Oh my god, it worked out perfectly. Guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? So I want to film right now, but there's no light. And I've been struggling with this for the past 3 hours, and this is me trying to just go ahead and film like that because I think my lighting is good enough, but then it is not. Why do things happen when you're not expecting it to happen anymore? Because I was here beating myself up, I wanted to film, blah 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 blah. This was not cooperating, but now that there is light for me to use and film, this lighting, this natural lighting decided to cooperate with me. Mind you, the ring light is off at this point. But anyways, if you guys are hearing this noise, it's from the fans. The fans are quite loud, which I love it, but it's too loud. I know if I'm going to film, I'm going to have to like turn it down a bit. So like next week is my reset week. I need to get my life together, honestly. I feel like I have been slacking so much, but next week, God help me, I'm able to make a difference. Honestly, I really need to do that. I really need to do that, because this week, I can't even believe that this week has gone by like this. It feels like, when did we enter this new week and it's already, what's going on? Well, I'm gonna try my best this week. This week we're entering, so today is Saturday and I need to go to the market. So today is Saturday and I need to go to the market. I'm not really getting much. I just want to get, we have stew, but we have tomatoes, like, but it's not much. It's not going to be enough for the family, so I need to go get extra and also get beef, meats, and just a few things here and there in the market. I have not left my house in almost a week now. Ask me how. Like, I don't even know how it happened, but all I know is that I literally calculated a few minutes ago and I realized that I had not left my house in almost a whole week. The last time I left the house was on Sunday, which was on Easter. I just went to go get some stuff from the market. That was the only thing that took me outside of my house. Since then, I've not gone downstairs. Like, I've not entered my compound. Like, my compound. Oh. God. I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, how did you really manage? Like, I have not gone into my, I've just been inside this building, inside the house. That's all. How did I survive? I still do not know.
I'm gonna just speak. I just lost a lot of things, learned a lot of things, you know? It's just summer in my life, past 5 years. Broke my father's heart when I was 18. Told him give me time, he just had to believe. Wasn't worth a dollar, but I had to chase a dream. Cut off everybody, me and Wavy was the team. To give us 2 years and everybody gon' eat. But first we had to give up everybody for some beats. After 5,000 emails and a song a week, me and Wavy turned into the same human being. Fast forward 5 years and now we 23. My father still praying that my music don't succeed, and my brother leaving me to go and chase his dream.
I really just bought some. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the time. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. And think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room.
Hey guys, what's up? It's the next day. Yesterday you guys saw me when I talked about how I was going to the market and everything. So I went to the market. I don't think I even spoke to you guys when I got back from the market because, guys, I was so tired and I had to like make stew that night. Very stressful. I was so stressed out. So I didn't even have the time to talk to you guys. And today I want to go to Jessica's house because I want us to film a fun video, which you guys are going to see probably after this vlog or before this vlog. So I want to go to her house right now. I ought to have gone since like 12. It's currently 3 p.m.
See you and your destiny. Only you bring out the best in me. Loving you, it is my destiny. You know. Your love is crazy. Your love is crazy. You are best girl. You are best.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys cannot hear the noise. But anyways, today is Sunday. I was trying to talk to you guys at home and it was really I was just all over the place. I had a lot of things I was trying to do at the same time. But right now I'm with Jessica, though she went out to get something. We're at the market. I don't know if you guys can see. We're at the market and it's quite noisy, but I'm just hoping you guys cannot hear it. So today I want to film with Jessica. We want to do a truth or dare or drink video. I feel like it's gonna be really interesting. So if it's up by now, I'm going to link it up here. If it's not, then you guys have to stay tuned for it. I also try to play with my hair a little bit. Guys, you will not believe I'm still with Jessica.
Ladies and gentlemen,
like it's currently 9:17 and we're still here filming. We just finished filming and I had so much fun. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it soon. Okay.
I don't know why I'm doing that fucking shit.
You say something to my vlog.
Okay, hi guys. Make sure you watch the video that we're going to upload because it's so funny and it's so dirty and it's so messy. I was saying a lot of things I shouldn't have said. I don't know, probably it's because it's been a long time I've been on the camera and I was like, yeah, I'm not meant to say this. I was like, you know what, just say it. You're not going to die when you say it. So make sure you subscribe to Blessing Ozzy's channel. Please, you guys should subscribe. She does amazing content. She edits like crazy. Her music, me, I've not even gotten to that level. Like her musics are like so good. I don't know how she chooses music, but her vlogs are therapeutic. Honestly, I watch vlogs and I just tap her. She knows how I watch it, but I watch her own like very well sometimes. Okay, guys, so please subscribe to Blessing Ozzy's channel and watch this new video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification. So when we post, you know that we have posted.
Yes.
But yeah, now see you guys. Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? It's been a minute. I know you guys cannot even notice because I feel like I have been putting out videos. But it's been a while since I picked up my camera to vlog and I'm super excited to be doing this again. So in my last 2 vlogs, when I went to the staycation with my sister, I told you guys that I had an announcement. I had something to tell you guys. Which a few people kind of asked me what it was. I told you guys it wasn't anything exciting, but now I'm going to just spill it and tell you guys what it is. I quit my job. I left my workplace, and if you remember my vlog, I was telling you guys I was having a hard time making a decision and all of that. That was it, like, guys. Making that decision was something I did not think was going to be that difficult for me. And it's so funny that I knew that at some point I would make that decision. But when it came to me actually making the decision, it was so difficult. Like, it took me weeks of like actually just making up my mind and saying, okay, I am going to leave. So you might be wondering why I actually took that decision to just leave. Like, it's quite complicated and I don't think I am really ready to like open up, like just break it down for you guys, but people that know. But actually nobody really knows. But yeah, the thing is, it wasn't really working for me anymore. It was taking so much from me, like so much from me. Last year was so stressful for me, and a lot of the stress came from my workplace, and it wasn't Like, it was so much, like it was actually a lot, and I was just like, I don't even know how I managed to just drag myself down to this very year, like to 2022. I should have left last year, but like I was not just ready. And to be honest, I honestly do not know what I'm doing, guys. Like, I actually feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Sometimes I wake up and I'm just like, did you really have to leave? And I'm just like, I don't know, like I don't know. I feel like I am happy that I made the decision because it's something I would have done at the end of the day. But for now, a girl is jobless. She does not know what she's doing. I probably blabbed all through this video, but then you guys, my mind is just all over the place, okay? And I really hope I explained to you guys better. But anyways, I feel like we just have to see how it goes now. Like, we just have to see how it goes now. For me, I am trying to figure things out. You guys are going to get more vlogs from me from now henceforth, God willing. God willing, you guys are going to get more vlogs from me. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Let us hit 1k, okay? Let us hit 1k. Subscribe to my channel and also help me share this video. Like my videos when you see them, okay? Like them when you're watching. Like, before you even start watching, just like it, just hit that button. It helps me, like it makes YouTube recommend my videos to more people. So yeah guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Let me go ahead and just sleep. It is currently, let me not tell you guys, see it yourself. It's currently 11:22. It's so late, it's super late. I need to take off my makeup and also shower and sleep. I am tired, like I'm literally so tired. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
It's been a year since we last talked, but now you're hitting me up, telling me that it's been too long and you wanna meet up. You said your favorite coffee shop was just on the block, so we met up for a cup and then went for a walk. But you were on your phone the whole time. What was up with that? 'Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do. Looking on my back and you were still